Vandeham.
The following is the class on Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 1, Chapter 7, Text number 9, given by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on 8th September 1976 in Vrindavan.
Shri Gurum Vaishnava.
Translation. Shri Shrorika asked Sutu's parties. Shri Shukadeva's line is to make a path of self-realization, and thus he was free to the total self. So why did he take the trouble while you wrote the study? So the path is
Saunapobhata savai nivittinirata sarvatra upekshako mune pasvabhati metam atma nama samambhasa. So, Sukadeva Goswami is Atmaram. This slok will be explained in the next verse. Atmaramasti munaya. Atmaram, there are many varieties of meaning of Atmaram. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has explained in 64 different ways in the Chaitanya Charitamrita. So, how Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was a great scholar. He is great in everything, but to make a show, at least he showed his scholarship in explaining this Atmarama verse. Samai nivitti nirata sarvatra upekshako muni. Nivitti nirata, one who has ceased all material activities. He has practically nothing to do with this material world. And still, it is said, Kasava brihati metam, and still he went out and preached Srimad Bhagavatam when Parikshit Maharaj was going to die. So this is the question. How Atmarama becomes interested in other activities. His Atmaram, he is already satisfied. So these activities are not material activities. Nimittiniyata, you have to stop this material world and material activities. That does not mean you will have to stop your activities. The other part of the activities, they will begin after stopping these material activities. That is explained in the Bhagavad Gita. Brahma bhuto prasannatma nasochati nakankrati. One who is Atmara, Brahma bhuta. Aham brahmasmi. I am not this material body. No more I have to do anything for this material body. Atma, Brahma bhuta prasannat. People are anxious, especially the Kurmis, how to maintain this body. But when one comes to the conclusion that I am not this body, naturally his interest for maintaining the body diminishes. Practically it becomes need. Nidya ahara viharakadi vijito. We find from the behavior of the Goswamis they practically conquered over the necessities of the body. But that does not mean he has to cease all activities. The Mahabharata philosophy, they say that when one becomes Brahma Bhuta, Atmarama, he has nothing to do anymore. No. The Shastra does not say that. Shastra says that when you become Atmarama or Brahma Bhuta, your material anxieties, material activities, they become stop. Brahma Bhuta Prasannatma. Prasannatma, he has nothing to do. Suppose if somebody is assured that now, henceforward, you haven't got to do anything, everything will come automatically. Naturally, one becomes Prasannatma, very jolly. I am free from the anxiety, because this material world means full of anxiety. Sada samudvigna dhya, that is material world. And when you come to the spiritual platform, there is no anxiety, no nasochati nakang, that is anxiety free. So, anxiety free does not mean you haven't got to do anything. Your material life is purified. Sarvapadhi vinirmuktam tatparatena nirmala. When we become free from the designation, I am this body, therefore I am American, I am Indian, I am the father of this family, so I have got my wife, I have got my children, so many things. This is material relationship. So when we understand that I have nothing to do with all these things, certainly I become jolly, prasannatma. But it is not that cessation of our activities, no. Mad bhakti lavati pada. In other words, the Atmarama, they cease their material activities, but they begin their spiritual activities. Therefore we find Sukadeva Goswami, he ceased from all material activity, but when he saw that Parikshit Maharaj is very much anxious what to do. He is a Vaishnava, perfect Vaishnava, and Sukadeva Goswami is perfect Vaishnava. He approached him. That Parikshit Maharaj is perplexed.